A clean fire helmet can help keep you safe. Make it a habit to perform on-scene and routine cleaning. 1. Always wear the proper PPE, including gloves and eye protection, when cleaning a fire helmet. Before leaving the scene, hose, brush, or wipe away the large gross contaminants. This will help reduce the number of particulates that could be carried back to the station. Next, inspect the helmet for impact, thermal, or general damage per the user manual. 2. Before cleaning the shell of your helmet, remove the eye protection, hardware, and soft goods. Wash your shell using a soft sponge or cloth dampened with a solution of warm water and mild detergent. The utility sink is typically used for routine cleaning. What about those soft goods? Exchange and place the soiled soft goods in the mesh bag provided in the MSA Soft Good Replacement Kit. Machine wash and dry on low settings. 3. Once your helmet has been through the cleaning process, inspect again. If it's not clean, repeat step 2. 4. Dry your helmet in an area with adequate ventilation. Avoid direct sunlight and never machine dry. 5. Store your helmet in a dry, well-ventilated area. Keep it from direct sunlight and sources of indoor light that may produce UV rays. 6. Your organization should have a system for record keeping. Need help? Refer to MSA's Fire Helmet Tracking Form. We're MSA, and when you go in, we go in with you. To learn more, see the MSA Carnes Fire Helmet Operating Manual or visit us online.